Project management tools for video production project management tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about two of the best project management tools out there and how you can actually use all of these project management tools for video production if you want to, okay? And I'm going to be talking about it in great depth and great detail, so please do make sure to stay tuned, all right? So, the two project management softwares that I'm talking about is Monday.com and Trello. Okay, so these are the two top most used, you could say, project management platforms out there. They're used for CRM and they're absolutely incredible. Okay, many people use these softwares for themselves and it knocks people out of the park at how efficient and fast these are. And by the end of this video, you're going to learn on how you can do video management and do video related tasks using these two platforms. All right, so to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we are going to start off with Monday.com. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and create a board in Monday.com. And I'm going to call this board John's Video Channel. Okay. That's what I'm going to call it. And I'm going to name different groups in this. Okay. So in this group, I'm going to go ahead and write, let's say, YouTube. Here, I'm going to go ahead and write Insta. And here, I'm going to go ahead and write, let's say, Twitter. So we have three groups, YouTube, Insta, Twitter. These three are places where I'm going to upload the videos. And then you can actually go ahead and name the videos. So let's say how to, use Fortnite launcher, something like that. Or let's say I'm going to come here and I'm going to give it a certain name as well. I'm going to call this one how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11. Okay, so you can go ahead and create tons and tons of videos like these. And then on Insta, you can write reel on Joe Rogan controversy, something like that. So you can go ahead and scour through all of these things one by one. And then once you've actually done this, you're going to open up the project page. And once you open up the project page, you can actually write updates in it. So to write updates in it, you can go ahead and let the audience know on what they're going to be creating in this video. So you can write just go to Fortnite launcher and show people how to use it. Okay, and then down here you can give different things. Keep your voice calm. Down here you can write use OBS, and down here you can write low color schemes or dark color schemes, etc. So you can simply go ahead and create things like this, and you can number all of these just like that, and you can update it. Now, whenever I upload this, I'm going to assign it to someone. So let's say I'm going to assign it to this person. Now, this person will know that, okay, this video related management task is for me. So what they're going to do is they're going to come here, they're going to open it up, and they're going to see, oh, okay, so just go to Fortnite launcher, show people how to use it, keep your voice calm, use OBS, and use lower or darker color scheme. You can create a due date for it. And that's pretty much how the whole project management gig works. All right. That's pretty much how you can go ahead and create a proper board for yourself when it comes to using a good and nice project management tool. You can actually go ahead and integrate and automate different types of programs and products into this as well if you want to. That totally depends on you though. So yeah, that's the brief idea of how we're supposed to do this. And you can actually shift different topics into the workspace as well, which is pretty easy. To shift a topic, what you're going to be doing is just simply holding this and bringing it down here just like this. That's how simple it is. And you can instantly invite people into your workspace by adding their name or email or, any proper appropriate way that you find to add them. And moving on, you have, different types of integrations. So let's say I want to integrate it with something like Slack to let people know on the Slack communication channel that, okay, time to upload. Where are you guys, etc. So pretty simple stuff, right? For a proper video management channel. So that's how you can use Monday.com as a proper project management tool. Now, let's go over to Trello. Now, Trello, as I talked in the start of the video, is also one of the most incredible project management tools out there, and it truly helps you in using a project management tool. All right, it truly helps you in making your workflow fast and making your workflow really smooth. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and create a board. To create a board, you're simply going to click on create, and it's going to generate a board for you, something like this, right? So we have this board. I'm going to go ahead and clean this board up, and I'm going to show you how a board will generally look for you when you are going to go ahead and create it for yourself. So this is what a board will generally look like. All right, it's going to be absolutely empty, nothing in it. And first of all, I'm going to change the name. I'm going to call it John's Video Channel. Okay, same thing. And once this is done, you can first of all go ahead and add a list. So you can add, again, YouTube, Insta, Twitter. Okay, just like that. Now, once you're done adding these, you can go ahead and add cards. So again, how to Fortnite, and then you can write how to Reddit, how to create account on Roblox, something like that, right? Now, once that is done, let's go ahead and give it some details. Let's give it some information. So I'm going to click on Fortnite, and once we click on Fortnite, it's going to open this up. Now, when it opens this up, it says, make your description even better. Okay, so you're going to actually give infographics and give it different types of details, okay, by yourselves. And trust me, the more detail and the more information you give, the easier it is for the people in your workspace to mess around with it. So, again, you're going to do the same as you did in Monday.com. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the data from here into the Trello board. So I'm going to copy this. We're going to come here and we're going to paste it. There we go. And once this is done, you can actually go ahead and add file attachments as well. Okay. And you can assign it to a team member. So let's say I'm going to assign it like this, and the person is going to know, oh, okay, so this is for me. Let's go ahead and, click on this and find out what work we have for ourselves. Okay, so this is basically just to help your workflow get eased and help your workflow be much better and much faster. It just makes your work plan much more efficient and much more fun to work with. Then moving on, you can go ahead and shift the blocks just like this for yourself as well. And you can simply go ahead and add different types of integrations and automations for yourself as well. Now, automations on Trello are out of this world, and I love them. Now, the reason for that is because you can add different types of rules. So you're going to go ahead and click on rules. And once we click on rules, it's going to open up the automation tab for us. So let's wait for that. Here we are. Automations, rules. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create automation. Once we click on create automation, you can go ahead and select trigger, select action, review, and save. So I'm going to click on add trigger. Then it says select your trigger for yourself. So there's card move, card changes, dates, checklists, card content. So I'm going to go ahead and click on card move. So it says when a card is added to the board or when a card is added to the list. So I'm going to go ahead to add it to the list. All right. I'm going to go with Insta by anyone. I'm going to click on plus. Then you can actually select an action. So you can go ahead and member. And here it says join the card. So I'm going to click on this. Now, what this automation will do is anytime a task or a project is added to the Instagram board, the person that adds the automation's name will come on it. So look at this. That is added. And as soon as this is added or a new card is created like this, the person that we are talking about will get their name as a member on this workspace. So that's what automation does for you. And that is basically how you're supposed to use project management tools for your video management software. And look at that. Just as we saw in front of us, how to Reddit, the card I just shifted into that, just got the member name. Same with this card over here. So that's how automations work. And this is how you can use two of the best project management tools out there to actually run a proper video production channel. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Do let me know down in the comments below if you found this video helpful, and how do you plan on using Trello and Monday.com, and if you plan on using one of them, which one is it, and why do you think that one is better than the other one? Do let me know down in the comments below. My curiosity strikes a lot on these types of things. But yeah, till then, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot. Share this video with other people, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.